alaikum dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. If you are someone who's always busy, feeling like 24 hours are not enough, so today's video is your lifesaver, because I'm going to show you some free AI tools that can literally save you hours of boring work, boost your creativity and help you get more done every day, and yes, all for free. So grab a notebook because you might want to try these tools right after this video. So number one is that ChatGPT, the ultimate assistant. So let's start with my favorite ChatGPT. It's not just for chatting, you can use it too. Write professional emails, summarize long articles, generate ideas for YouTube's, blogs or social media, even solve your coding problems. It's like having your own personal assistant 24 hours. And guess what? The free version is super powerful already. So tool number 2 is that Notion AI, your smart notebook. If you are a student, creator or someone who manages tasks, Notion AI will blow your mind. It helps you organize to-do lists, plan your projects, take smart notes, and generate content ideas, articles or outlines instantly. The best part, you can use Notion plus AI in the free personal plan, a perfect combo. So number 3 is that Canva AI, design without being art designer. So wanna create eye-catching thumbnails, posters or Instagram posts? Canva's AI tools make it easy. Even if you have zero design experience, use the magic right features to generate captions or post ideas. So use the text to image tool to create visuals just by typing what you want. So it's so addictive. So number 4 is that Quillbot, made easy. Hate writing a long essay or rewriting content, Quillbot will do it for you. Paste your text, click rephrase and boom, it rewrites it in seconds while keeping the meaning great for students, bloggers, anyone who needs can writing without stress. There is a paid plan, but trust me, the free version does a lot. Number 5, Descript, video editing with AI. So if you are create videos like me, this one is magic. So Descript can remove filter words, transcribe audio, let you edit video like a Word document. Editing time in half, especially for podcasts or YouTube content. And yes, they offer a free plan to get started. And number 6 is Grammarly, write smarter. Whether you are writing captions, blogs or just chatting with clients, Grammarly fixes grammar, suggests better words and make you sound more professional. So you will be amazed how much it improves your writing, and the free version is enough for daily use. So number 7 is bonus tools. So here are some bonus tools you should also check. First number is that Tome AI, makes stunning presentation from a simple outline. Cleanup.Pictures, remove unwanted objects from photos in seconds. So number 3 is Scalenut, for SEO and content ideas. And next, number 4 is that Copy.ai, creates marketing content in a click. So create marketing content in a click. Now we'll talk about final thoughts and call to action. So there you have it, a collection of powerful free AI tools that can literally save your hours of work every single week. So which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI, productivity, tech and learning content, all experienced in a simple and friendly way. So thanks for watching, stay productive and stay awesome. So till then, a lot of care of you. I'll see you in the next video.